Hi, what's going on? Welcome to Driver Installer. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable Google Chrome's Safe Search Mode. Before you start, subscribe to the channel. If you are having trouble opening web pages or browsing the internet just because Safe Mode won't let you, then just follow these steps. The first thing you will do is go to the Google Chrome browser. Open Google Chrome, you will go to the Options panel. Here, you will select the configuration option. Then, you select Privacy and Security. Here then, you must choose the option, Safe Browsing. Here you will see that it is by default in Standard Protection. You are going to change it, No Protection. If you want to learn more, watch this video and don't forget to leave without subscribing.